Hi, welcome back. My name is Katie. If you're new, I'm so glad that you found my channel. Today we have a very short review and demo on this product right here. You guessed it, it is a winged liner stamp. I am very late to this trend. Obviously, this was something that people were talking about years ago. I've never tried it. I ordered it on Amazon the other day just thinking, okay, this isn't gonna work, whatever, I'm just gonna try it. It works. It really works. I really love it. And I think you guys will love it too. That's why I wanted to come on here and show you a really quick video of me using it and recommending it to you guys. Also, I don't think I told you all the brand, but this is iMethod Beauty, so that's the one that I purchased. Also, just one thing before we get into the video, I'm sorry about my bed. Like, I try to make it in videos, but my sweet baby dog right here, she's almost 16 years old. She loves sleeping on the bed, and she doesn't like when I make the bed, so I just don't make the bed because she says not to. So that's my excuse. Sorry about that. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, or you all just found me for the first time, please subscribe down below. Make sure to give me a like on this video if you liked it. Let's get into the video, and I hope you guys like it. I'm so excited about these guys. So there are two stamps. One is for the right eye, one is for the left eye. These are genius. But the other day I tried it out after I ordered it on Amazon, and I think it is so good for people who struggle with their wings. And I do. I am very good at makeup, but I struggle with my wings, and sometimes they look super wonky, super just they go from being small to huge. It's just no. After you get the hang of this product, I think you guys will love it. It took me a minute to get used to it, but after you get used to it, you all will really like it. So it comes two-sided. This is the stamp. I'm sorry, this is hard to see. This is the stamp on one side of the right. This one is the right wing. And then both of them come with a liner on the other side, which I also think is genius because you're getting two liners in each one of these pins. So let's start out with the left one because I think you all are going to be able to see a little bit better when I do it on this eye. I'm gonna try to do it up very close. So I'm gonna take the stamp to get really close here. You have to angle this up the way that you want to because you only get one chance. So that's why you have to practice. I'm gonna angle it how I want to. So you can do it more up, you can do it more out. My eye shape looks a little bit better with it going up a little bit more. So I'm going to like kind of close my eye and pull it tight because you don't want it to be wrinkled because then the stamp won't work very well. So there's the little wing. That's awesome. Then you can go into the other side. Okay, one thing I don't like about this is the pin has like two parts. Now it's not doing it. Okay, there. So the pin has two parts, and sometimes if you take the lid off, this other part that's on top of the eyeliner doesn't come off. So you have to, yeah, that's annoying. This is a little bit annoying, but anyways, as you can see, like that part has to come off too, and it goes in the lid. So not horrible or anything, just something to note. So now I have this little wing here, and all I'm gonna do is connect it. Can't talk when I'm doing this, I'm sorry. Make sure you fill in the wing completely. So it was a little bit hard to do on camera. It was super easy. This helps so much. I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the other side, I guess, on camera, but like I said, it's gonna be a little bit difficult. So this is the right wing stamp. We're gonna try to match it to this one because you want it to be the same angle on both sides, obviously. So I have it angled kind of pretty much from this bottom lash line right up. So that's how I'm gonna do that one. There. I think this one ended up being a little bit more angled than this one, but guys, This makes it so much easier. It's also hard to do on camera. I did it better yesterday without camera, but I had to show you guys this. Okay, so off camera, I just kind of messed with it a little bit to make them look a little bit more even, but guys, look how good it looks. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna put mascara on and lashes, and let's talk about it a little bit more about the product. All right, I'm back. I put my lashes on, I put my mascara on, and a little bit of eyeshadow under my lash line. That's how I just finished up the simple look today. By the way, I really like the lashes I have on. These are what they look like. So pretty, so dramatic. I love them. I will link those below for you if you're interested in them. I also got these on Amazon. And guys, this looks so good. Look how pretty my eyes look. Like, I can't get over how amazing the stamp is. You get 2 of these eyeliners for $11.97, and that's awesome because it's not like you're just getting 1 eyeliner and 1 stamp. You're literally getting 2 eyeliners and 2 stamps. So I think this is going to last a long time. One thing I don't know is how long they will last, like if the product will dry up quickly or not, since I've only had it for a few days. But I think for $11.97, even if it only lasted you for like 2 months or so, I still think it would be worth it, honestly. It also claims it's waterproof and smudge proof, which I definitely agree with. I have really, really watery eyes. They're not the best, but this stuff really stays on. And there's a swatch of the liner, so it's super, super dark black. It's matte, it's not shiny, which I really enjoy. I don't like a shiny liner, so these are good. These are approved. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to give me a like on this video if you liked it, and I will see you in my next video.